Welcome to IGT Academy. In today's video, we are going to introduce you to our new adjustable Bayo system. At IGT, we offer two sizes for this system, the R80 with a 10-foot length and the R81 with a 20-foot length. Both of them are approved by Miami-Dade County after passing safety and hurricane-resistant tests, making the IGT tilt-lock Bayo system an ideal option against storms nationwide.
Start making all the corresponding marks to place the edge of the Bayo in the desired spot. Take the measurements needed to cut the channel into the appropriate length. Ensure you use the appropriate safety equipment, including gloves and protective glasses. Before installation, observe the profile of the Bayo to identify the difference between the inner and outer sides. The curvature on the inner side indicates the side that should face the drop-off or elevated edge. After positioning the Bayo where you want it, ensure you mark all the necessary holes. It is important to use the appropriate tools to open the holes, as our concrete drill bit with the code R1035. Assemble the Bayo by connecting the parts with the 4 joining pins. Secure the channel to the concrete. Insert a stabilizing washer into each hole from above.
For optimal installation, these Bayo should be installed with 5-inch long D-wall screws, also sold by IGT under the codes R1038 and R1039. If drainage blocks are needed, make sure to use the R89 pack, which includes 10 blocks designed specifically for these Bayo and should be placed every 6 inches apart.
When you remove the clamps from the box, open them for 2 or 3 minutes so they expand enough to fit the glass. Insert them into the profile of the Bayo, keeping them open for the glass installation. Cut the joining gasket so it fits the part of the channel that need to be covered between the glass panels. Slide one of your gap rovers into the corresponding slot of the cladding, ensuring both are correctly aligned. Insert the glass into the clamps previously placed in the Bayo and use the rotating mechanism to level it at the desired angle. Use the adjustment nuts to expand the mechanism in the Bayo, ensuring it's firmly fixed and level. You can use a regular wrench or the crook spanner wrench sold by IGT for easier movement. Just like the other cladding, place the interior cover and its gap rover over the Bayo and secure it with double-sided tape or silicone.
Make sure that all components are correctly placed and secured. Cover the sides of the Bayo with the end caps and seal with adhesive. And that's it! You have completed the traditional installation of the Bayo. Thanks for watching, IGTer, and remember, let's make it simple.